Please, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make red beans. So we're going to start off by frying our onion. Okay, so we're going to fry this onion until it is translucent. Red beans and rice is one of my favorite meals, so I thought I'd share it with you guys on how I make it taste amazing without adding any meat or anything. Alright, let's let this brown up a little bit and then we'll continue with the recipe. Now we're going to add in our red pepper. I used 2 medium red peppers for this. And 1 full onion. I'm going to let this cook down. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper, some curry powder, my chicken seasoning, we're using half of it, let's mix the flavors together. And now we're gonna pour in our beans. I did wash them and soak them for an hour. And we're gonna add in our water. For the water, I'm using boiled water just to speed up the process. And I'm not going to add any salt at this stage because it does make the skin of the beans get tougher if you add the salt at this stage when they're not cooked. So once they're cooked, then I can add in our salt. Okay. So for now, we're just going to close this up. It does take an average of 3 to 4 hours to cook. So we're going to try and forget about this for a while. Yeah, so I'm going to close this up. Then we'll come back after a while. So it's been 3 hours now and our beans are fully cooked. Whoop. They are fully cooked, as you can see. They taste delicious. And now we're gonna add in our salt. Like that. Because now we want that creamy consistency, we are going to mash them a little bit. So just using your masher, just mash them up a little bit. Just so we have that creamy bean, soupy texture. Alright. I think that is enough. And then we're going to let this simmer on low for the next 10 minutes, just for the salt to get mixed up and the thickness as well. Okay, let's wait a few more minutes and we can serve. So here's your final result, guys. Bean and rice recipe. I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe and I hope that you do try it at home and tell me what you guys think in the comments below. See you guys on another video.